Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the essentials right. Confirm legal ownership and follow local rules, then put on eye and ear protection. Once done, clear the area and remove distractions. Make sure a certified instructor is present. You should verify the rifle is unloaded, the magazine removed, and the chamber visually inspected by both you and the instructor. Do not manipulate controls alone. Instead, identify the safety selector under guidance so you know where it is and what it does before any further hands-on practice. Now move into supervised hands-on practice. With the instructor confirming the rifle remains unloaded, practice locating and feeling the safety selector without applying force to unfamiliar parts. Keep your finger off the trigger and maintain muzzle awareness while you transition between positions. Use dry fire drills and slow, repeatable motions to build muscle memory. Your instructor will correct grip and posture. If anything feels stiff or unclear, stop immediately and have the instructor demonstrate. Don't force a part or guess at a mechanism. Finish by following a clear, repeatable checklist with your instructor: stance, sight alignment, safety status, and strict finger discipline. Only transition to live fire after the instructor rechecks load status and confirms the safety operates as intended. If a selector feels sticky, ambiguous, or hard to move, stop handling and have a qualified gunsmith or instructor inspect it. Do not attempt repairs yourself. Keep notes on what you practiced and review them before every session to reinforce safe habits and avoid mistakes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.